Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today we are doing some skincare. Super excited. I'm making a DIY avocado seed face mask. I have green behind me for avocado, even though the powder is actually like a pinky orange color. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. Come hang out with me all Vlogmas long. And yeah, I'm just gonna mix this little masky mask up. Basically, I saw a TikTok saying don't throw away your avocado seeds, like the little pit when you eat an avocado, because you can grind the seed up into a powder to make masks for your hair and face. So me, after having real nice avocado toast the other day, decided to keep the seed, try it out. Basically what you do is you slice up the seed, leave it out to dry a little bit, and it oxidizes and turns into like this like orangey pink color. You just slice it up. I put it in my coffee grinder. I have like for coffee beans, I think you can also use like a food processor or a blender to get it into this powder. I will do like a couple different recipes, and I'm kind of just doing an amalgamation of different recipes that I found. I'm not following any specific one, just doing it based off of what I have. So I have my powder, I have water to mix it up, some honey for hydration, and argan oil for just a little more nourishment in there. It just seems like you need something to kind of like make it into a mask consistency. And then you also need like, I mean, you don't need, but you can add other ingredients for skincare benefits. Okay, why is this doing this? This is rude. So I'm pouring a little bit of water in. I'd rather have too little than too much because I can always have more, obviously. And I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops of argan oil. Might be a lot, I don't know. Just a dollop of honey. I'm just eyeballing it. I'd say this is maybe gonna be like a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon amount of honey. This isn't like the most fantastic honey for skincare. I know like Manuka honey is really the best for skincare. That's just what I have sitting around for tea and whatnot. And I have my forky here, and I'm mixing her up. I'm gonna put a little more honey in here because I think it's gonna help everything kind of stick together. This is what my little mask looks like. I'm just gonna go shower, take off my makeup with my 4-3 Beauty cleansing oil, and then wash my face with the Pixie Hydrating Milky Cleanser, and then I'll put this baby on. Really excited to see what this does or doesn't do for my skin. All right, I'm here fresh-faced and ready for a mask. Let me zoom y'all in actually. So this is just my skin freshly washed with eyeliner still lingering under my eyes because I can never fully get it off. So let me see how this goes. Already, like, this seems like it's gonna be more exfoliating than hydrating. Like, this kind of feels like more of a This is kind of feeling, it's definitely more of a scrub than a mask, and I'm getting avocado pit on me sweatpants. Trying to get the more paste bits to kind of use it as a mask. I don't know if I got this like as grinded into a powder as it needed to be to like make like a mask. Okay, this actually turned out more mask-like than I was anticipating at the beginning. It's definitely like one of those masks where you like leave it on and then like do little circles with your hands as you're washing it off to help exfoliate. I'm just gonna kind of leave this on, I'm guessing like 10 minutes, maybe 5, to see how it feels. I'll wash it off and I'll show you my skin, talk about how it feels, maybe do my little nighttime skincare with y'all. I'll be back. All right, and this is face mask all rinsed off. I try to be pretty careful with like rubbing circles as I was washing it off. I'm not like the biggest fan of physical exfoliation. I've read into it more, and it's like not really as bad for your skin as you were maybe originally made to believe. I just know like the walnut scrubs are especially bad and can cause little abrasions on your face. I feel like my skin looks nice and smooth. I wouldn't say it feels more hydrated, but it also doesn't feel particularly dry either. I was expecting it to maybe be a little more dry because it's more of an exfoliating like scrub type of mask, but I definitely think my face feels soft. I wouldn't call it a flop, but also wouldn't call it a win. I think if I did that again, I would figure out a way to make the seed more like powdery versus it was still as kind of like granules. I have like a cheap coffee grinder, so that's probably why it didn't grind up all the way into a powder. And I'd maybe use like a thicker base. Maybe I'd use like coconut water or aloe water, or maybe I would even use like Greek yogurt. I've seen some people use Greek yogurt to kind of like make it like thicker, more masky. I really like hydrating masks. That's like my thing. So it wasn't bad. It just wasn't really what I was aiming for with it, but still fun to try out. I really like messing around with like the stuff I already have and trying to make like face masks and skincare and stuff. So if there's any other DIY recipes y'all know that you'd like to see me try, let me know. But anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. Chill little skincare video. Love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.